Imagine soap that's designed specifically for you, by you. Well, that's what we're doing today. We're creating our own soap using the natural soap base from Skin Said Yes. Today, we're working with 3 unique melt and pour soap bases from Skin Said Yes: the goat's milk soap base, shea butter soap base, and glycerin soap base. Each one is an organic soap base offering unique benefits. Let's dive into unboxing these gems. Each package reveals a neatly packed soap base ready to become part of your personal skincare journey. Also, there's a booklet included with different soap recipes so you never run out of ideas for what soap to make. You might be thinking, what is the best base for soap making? Great question. All 3 of them are top-notch. The shea butter soap base is incredibly nourishing, perfect for dry or sensitive skin. And the glycerin soap base is fantastic for maintaining the skin's natural balance. All of them are great choices, but for today's tutorial, we'll be using the goat's milk soap base, since it's packed with vitamins and minerals that soothe and moisturize the skin. Now let's delve into the process of how to make soap with soap bases. Start by cutting the goat's milk soap base into small cubes. This ensures a smooth and quick melting process. Next, we melt our soap base. You can use a double boiler or microwave, but make sure it doesn't overheat. Once it's all liquid, it's time to add your chosen essential oils, colors, and exfoliating ingredients. Today, I'm going to add a hint of eucalyptus essential oils. Carefully pour your soap mixture into your chosen mold and allow it to set. This is where the transformation truly begins. Curious about how many soaps a 1-pound soap base can make? Depending on your mold size, you're looking at about 3 to 5 3.5 ounce bars. So the Skin Said Yes soap bar bases will make about 23 3.5 ounce soap bars. Behold your finished soaps, tailor-made for your skin's needs and created by you. They're not only practical, but also a testament to your creativity. But why choose Skin Said Yes for your soap bases? These soaps are 100% natural, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. They're gentle on our skin and on our planet. With these organic soap bases, you're creating high-quality soap from the comfort of your own home. Plus, it's also super cost-effective. You're ensuring there are no harmful chemicals or additives. Plus, a single bar of soap should last you about a month, which means you can make perfect, thoughtful gifts for your friends and family. So are you ready to embrace the joy of making your own soap? With the Skin Said Yes soap bases, you're 1 click away from this exciting journey. Check out the links in the description and let's make some soap. Thank you for being here today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips. Here's to creating beautiful skin naturally every day.